What a great looking Defender this is. This is the Defender 90, the D250, which is the new 3-litre engine with 250 brake horsepower, but this is the SE edition, so spec-wise, it's mega. But on top of the fact that it's an SE, it's then got lots of other extras. So let's talk about the colour, the age. It's a 21 registration with 10,000 miles on, so you have warranty till 2024. The Eiger Grey is a beautiful metallic grey, just shows all the lines perfectly well. And the new edition Defenders are absolutely mega. Inside, outside, the way they drive, on-road and off-road. Just an amazing car all the way around. And that's probably one of the reasons why we sell so many of them. Now this one with the live pricing today is 70990, and it's physical. You can just buy it and collect it. I've said that a few times recently on my most recent videos, and the reason I keep banging on about that is you can't really buy a brand new car and collect it the next day or the same day. It's impossible. All our cars are fully prepped. So if you like what you see and you want it before Christmas, for Christmas Eve or after Christmas, ring me. As long as the car's available, you can literally just come and take it away. How nice is that? And then enjoy it. And that's what it's all about. Now this D250 SE has a few nice features. The first thing that some customers or some buyers won't know is the headlight on the SE is different to the S, because you have the glass piece in there with the full LED daytime running lights and the LED headlights. You've got the full 360 view camera system. That's the front cameras, side cameras and the rear camera. This has got the lovely high gloss black section on the centre section of the front bumper there. LED front fog lights, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, and you've also got park assist. You've then got the black styling pack, so the inside the mid-section of the grille here, the badging, that's all done in high gloss black. This has got the checkered plate protection of the bonnet, the 90 decal, which looks fabulous with a matte finish to it. And then you have the full arch kit, which again makes a massive difference on the way that this car looks. And you can see the side attachment of the snorkel there. Again, no one's going to go underwater, but if you were that person, then great, you've got that there as well. Our humongous extra is a 20-inch upgraded 5-spoke alloy wheels, again finished in black. So you can see the contrasting colours on this car is either Eiger Grey or black, and it works extremely well. You've got front and rear mud flaps, the fixed tube side steps on there, black window surrounds, some protection glass, and then this car also has the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. And the front piece of the glass, which you can see has slid back there, it's a very big piece of glass, allowing lots of light to come in and air as well, obviously, and it just feels airy. Full leather interior, because that's what the SE gives you, because some of them have half leather, half cloth, but this full leather feels good, it's comfortable, it's luxurious. Electric seats with lumbar support, automatic gearbox. You then got things like the touchscreen media system, navigation, Bluetooth, onboard computer. You've got the dual zone climate control, air conditioning, different drive terrains. Being the new Defender, you have that new dashboard, the new feel, the new vibe, new steering wheel. Everything just feels super modern and classy, whilst still being very good on the road and off-road. Memory seat, the Meridian sound system, and to get into the back, you pull this handle literally, and then press that, and it moves forward for you. The back seat is a 5-seater vehicle, 3-point seat belts, full leather in the back, ISOFIX attachments, and when it does this, it allows so much space to get in and out of the back just comfortably. Because we have lots of conversations, because we do sell the 110s and the 90s. It's just nice, easy to drive, it's compact, but to get in and out of, it's not a struggle at all. So to show you and to demonstrate, once the seat's been moved forward, you literally stand on this and you climb in. I mean, it's as easy as that. Once you're in the back, you have any amount of space. I mean, genuinely, the leg space here is unbelievable. The glass roof makes a difference. You've then got the quarter windows there, the grab handles. There's 5-ball sockets in the back of the seat with a portable socket insert. More USBs, USCs and 12-volt sockets in the back of here. If there's only going to be 2 passengers in the back, then you pull this down and give the rear passengers their own armrest with a cup holder. This is a brilliant space. But you're sat high up, you feel safe. It's absolutely mega. I love these. To get out again, step out. It's as easy as that. There's nothing more to it. On the back, you've got that checker plate protection again. The LED lighting system, we've mentioned it so many times. The way it's built into the rear panels and the rear cluster, it just looks super slick. The fifth wheel is a spare wheel, which is 20-inch in size, same as the other 4 on the car, so that's a good thing. Obviously brand new. Black badging on the back there as well. And then you've got another bright rear kick plate. finished nicely in that brushed sort of chrome aluminium finish, so you don't scrape the back of your bumper when you're getting things in and out. Underneath there you have more cubby hole space, tonneau cover, and the seats go down as well. Up here you have the rear clear sight view camera system. So this is a big back end with a wheel there, which sometimes can disturb your vision. So when you flick the mirror on the interior, I'll show you in a few seconds, that camera system shows you exactly what's behind you, so you have no excuse to hit anything or anyone behind you. And that's brilliant as well. It is absolutely mega. There's also a dash cam in there, or we call it a reversing dash cam, so you can record what's happening around you and keep your car in a nice, safe position. Driving assist, lane assist, memory seats for the driver, electric windows and mirrors. Driver's seat with 10,000 miles on is in absolutely perfect condition. The electric adjustment for the steering wheel, which goes up and down, also in and out. And this is awesome, sat so high up. But listen to the engine sound. That's it, the engine is on. I'm talking quiet so you can appreciate what a nice tune the engine is. Defenders, diesels, cars in general, especially with a diesel engine, are normally clunky, loud, and they're not very attractive. But this one, I promise you, especially when the doors are closed and the windows up, you can't hear a thing. Super smooth, great engine in them. Full digital dashboard here, with the navigation displayed all the way across, like it is on the media system, but you can configure that and change it so you have dials. Lane assist, cruise control, voice control, Bluetooth controls. This is leather wrapped so it feels nice and fresh and just rich, really. Different controls here, twin cup holders, 2 keys, centre armrest which lifts up and gives you more storage space in there. That tilt and sliding sunroof that I mentioned before is absolutely amazing. And glasses case holder, go there, and there's a rear clear sight view camera. So when you do that, you see what's behind me, the kids and whatnot. But you press this, and you can see the camera vision. It is brilliant, absolutely insane. Oh, look at this. We've shown it all the time, so it's a case of what do I show you and what not. But the 360 camera system is so easy to use. The reversing cameras is brilliant, literally. And you can pick and choose what you want to see, which side of the car. Front corner, back corner, wheels. It's a new level fit, it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. These cars, they do sell themselves. Especially when you've got a D250 with more horsepower, the better wheels, the panoramic roof, the extras like the checker plate, the arch kit. If you look at all the ones that are available, they haven't got arch kit, they haven't got a black styling pack. There's just so much they haven't got. So if you're going to buy one, get a good one. And with this one, the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty is absolutely brilliant. 70990. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.